it as they normally would, with some of the crew on the ground and the others using that ladder to try to fight this fire from the roof. But as they approached it, they realised that something was wrong. And you can see in these terrifying pictures, they attempted to turn around and make their way back down that ladder when the entire building exploded, engulfing them in flames. Take a listen.
We got a call at 6:26 p.m. for a structure fire at the 300 block of Boyd Street here in the downtown area of Los Angeles. In and finding the seat of the fire, there was a significant explosion. So we quickly called for additional firefighters. This has been upgraded to what we call a major emergency category with